Let's learn how to delete comment history on TikTok. If you want to delete your comments but can't find the videos you commented on, don't worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it. This tutorial is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app. When TikTok opens, make sure you are on the right account. When TikTok is open, you will be on the home page, but you don't need to be there. You need to be on the page where your profile is located. You can access this page by clicking on the Profile option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on that page, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on those 3 lines, a menu will appear with several options. From those options, click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on that option, a page with many options will open. From all those options, click on Activity Center. When you click on that option, a page with more options will open. From all those options, click on Comments History. When you click on it, a page will open with a list of all your comments. You need to click on the comment you want to delete. When you do that, the comment section will open, and your comment will be at the top. All you need to do is hold your finger on your comment. After that, a menu will appear where you need to click on Delete, and that's it. The only problem is that there is no option to delete them all at once, so you have to do it one by one. That was the tutorial on how to delete comment history on TikTok. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.